Hey everyone, this is CA Neha Gupta. I welcome you all on this channel. So, here in Delhi, COVID and winters both are at peak, and we are trying to fight with them. No, I'm not saying fight. We are actually trying to cope up with that. Well, anyways, in my background, you can see that there's very much cold outside, and even there is no sunlight today. So, anyways, as I told you earlier, that I'm taking queries from you people, and I'll make video on that queries only, and very short video, so that you'll get the answer of your query in a very short manner. You don't have to see the full video to get the solution of your query. So today I'm taking query by Mr. Vivek Singh. So he's saying, let me read his query once. ऑप्शन ट्रेडिंग में कोई टर्नओवर लिमिट होता है क्या जिसके ऊपर हमें इनकम टैक्स देना पड़े? एंड ऑल्सो ही इज आस्किंग वन मोर क्वेरी. एंड मैम, ऑप्शन में अगर मैंने कोई प्रॉफिट नहीं किया और टर्नओवर 90 lakhs है तो क्या हमें टैक्स देना होगा क्या? प्लीज रिप्लाई. सो लेट मी स्पीक दिस क्वेरी इन इंग्लिश वंस. So he's asking that whether we need to pay taxes in the option trading if there is any turnover limit. And second is asking that if my turnover is more than 90 lakh, then do I need to pay any tax in the case of option trading? Well, so Mr. Vivek Singh, let me start this thing with very basic. First of all, as I told you in my last video with the option trading part 1, you can check that video where I told you that if there is a profit in the case of option trading, then only you have to pay taxes. That also should be more than your taxable limit, then only you have to pay tax. So this is the first scenario. Second scenario, you are asking me about the turnover limit. So Mr. Vivek Singh, there is no limit of the turnover, no matter what is your turnover. For say, if your turnover is for example, it's 10 CR, 20 CR, 30 CR, no matter whatever is your turnover, you have to pay taxes only on the profit. And also, profit should be more than your taxable limit. So, if your annual profit is, let's say, 2.5 lakh, in that case, you don't have to pay any taxes. So, this is just an example. After that, you can do the tax planning. You can take the benefit of 80C, 80D, and every other section. So, this is how the things will go in the case of option trading. One more thing, as I told in my last video, that you should file your return no matter what. If it's losses also, then also you should file your return, and you have to carry forward those losses. So that what would happen in the next year, if you'll carry forward the losses in the current year, so in the next year you can claim the benefit of that losses. Let's say in this year you are carry forwarding of losses of 1 lakh rupees, and in the next year your total profit is, let's say, 3.5 lakh. Then after minus this 1 lakh, your total profit will become 2.5 lakh, and you don't need to pay any taxes on it. So this is how the things will go, and I hope your query is resolved. And if you have any query, you can ask me in the comment section, and I'll try to make a video on it. As I told you earlier, that I'll try to make like 1 or 2 videos on a daily basis, so that I can take maximum queries. So now this is all about option trading, and if you have any query, you can ask me in the comment section. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.